Francis Owino, Ramogi TV.
Jumachiel kende bang' jatend migawo mar somo Julius Ogamba chope od bura mamalo kendo yango ni piny owacho ne ochwalo omenda maromo bilion 1.1 ne jopuonjre sikunde ma nyawawa. Jatend migawo achiel onogono kawuono lokore kendo lero ni onge sikul ma nyawawa e pachoka. Joja oko gi ler mathoth kowuok Mombasa.
Jatend migawo mar somo Julius Ogamba ne ochopo e od bura ma Kisauni e kaunti ma Mombasa kuma ne otaye chenro mar yawo container moting'o kalatase mag penj mag jopuonjre klas 12 kaeto ochweyo nyaka e sikund nyiri ma Hassan Joho mar rango kaka itayo penjno. Jatend migawo no ne otiyo gi thuolono mar kwedo wach sikunde ma nyawawa mikoni ne ochwalnegi omenda maromo shillings bilion 1.1.
We did not say that there are ghost schools. What I indicated in Parliament is, as at the time I was in Parliament that day, we had not released a 1.1 billion to the schools that had not submitted the data, because what happened when the schools did not submit the data, we decided to pay a number of them 50% of the capitation. There were about 990 schools as at that time.
Neo lero ni ng'ikruok makamano ne obedo kaluwore gi okang' mar moko kuom sikunde deko kapok ochwalo report midendo ni data moting'o nonro mag sikunde 990 makata kamano okoni ne ochul kwan atamalo 50 mag omenda mane onego ochwalnegi.
So as we speak, we are collating and analyzing and going to those schools and finding out what are the issues there so that we can give you data or information that is correct. So I told Parliament to give me time.
Komachielo, riwruok jotend jopuonj manie sikunde mag primary midendo ni comprehensive schools ne jowuok tung' mosuo gi jopuonj junior secondary madwani oyienegi tayo chenro mekgi mag somo gin giwegi ma ok nywandogi e bwo sikunde mag primary, wach ma bende ne osir lwedo gi riwruok mar jopuonj mar NAT.
Tumewapatia mambo mangapi? Tumewapatia mambo mangapi? We are saying hatutaki siasa na watuheshimu. Hawawezi, they move to senior schools.
We had Kenya Junior Secondary examination. True or false? We had O-level exams. True or false? Form 4 and Form 5 higher education exams. They were all under one principle of institution. The issue of autonomy does not exist here or there.
The unions will not be moving up and down on issue of where should the junior school be, where should the senior school be, where should the ECD be. We'll have to have a very strong session of paper addressing that issue.
Iseche gogogo, duol mochung'ne ndiko jopuonje tich Teacher Service Commission osingo mar ndiko jopuonj manyien maromo 24,000 kochopo Januar higa manyien mar rakore gi midhiero mar nok mag jopuonj to chutho e grade mar 7, 8 kod 9.
You are aware in your schools you don't have enough teachers, especially for grade 7, 8 and 9. The government, and once again I want to thank the chair of Education Committee, has been able to give us money to recruit teachers. So far, we have done, there is 76,000. We have the 20,000 who are already there. And by 1st of January, Waziri will be able to bring to schools 24,000 more teachers.
And we've agreed with those unions as well that we are no longer going to resolve our issues in the streets. So we've signed and sorted it out. The negotiation for the CBA 2025-29 is being negotiated. And what we've agreed is that if what is in the CBA is implemented, we will not have another strike on another issue until 2030. Because of that, as a government, we've set up an interministerial CBA implementation committee to oversee that the issues that are raised that are in those agreements are done before they become a crisis.
George Aoko, Ramogi TV, Mombasa.
Duol makedo gi